But first, let's take a look at the weather. Bill Taylor tracking hailstorms and flooding rains this Memorial Day. Bill?
Yes, Isis, this came in quick. Right down the I-10 corridor is our biggest concern, where the most flooding's occurred. Bernie, Waring, Sisterdale, but now dropping into northwest Bexar County. Closer look at this radar. What has changed since 5 p.m. and when I was with you is now the flood advisory for San Antonio. You see that huge polygon that's covering almost all of Bexar County in that shaded green. It's going to be poor drainage areas, low-lying areas, low water crossings are all going to be susceptible to some isolated flooding issues. The difference when you go to a flash flood warning is that we've got flooding, and we've got flooding that's going over all roads in spots at Bernie, as I mentioned, Sisterdale, Waring. It's really the I-10 corridor that saw about 2 to 3 inches of rain in a very short amount of time. Out west, a severe thunderstorm warning. This is in effect for the remainder of this newscast. It could be canceled because I'm watching that hail core diminish fast. In fact, that storm weakening on its approach to Utopia, just kind of sliding by to the east of Lakey. However, this hail core south of Hondo, that is a large one, and it's getting a little bit larger. So that could be upwards of a quarter-size hail pretty soon, and that could be our next warning. Going to be keeping an eye on things because these storms are coming from north to south and covering pretty much all of San Antonio at this hour. I think we're dealing with this rain until about 8:30 or 9 p.m., and then it'll be a warm, cloudy evening. Isis?
Thank you, Bill.